For most of human history, space existed only as a distant abstraction, a realm of lights in the night sky, unreachable and mysterious. That perception began to change in the mid-20th century when the first artificial satellites traced faint paths overhead and revealed that orbit was not beyond reach. Over time, short missions gave way to longer stays, and exploration slowly turned into presence. The International Space Station became the embodiment of that presence. It demonstrated that humans could live continuously in orbit, conduct complex research, and cooperate across political boundaries. Yet it was always understood to be temporary, a bridge, not a destination. As the ISS ages, its approaching retirement forces a pivotal question. Should humanity step back from orbit once government-led programs conclude, or should low Earth orbit become a permanent zone of activity, innovation, and habitation? The emergence of the Axiom space station reflects a clear answer. Orbit is no longer viewed as an experimental outpost, but as a place where sustained human activity can continue under new models of ownership and access. Axiom's approach is deliberately evolutionary rather than revolutionary. Instead of launching a fully independent station from the outset, the company plans to attach its first modules directly to the ISS. This allows systems to be tested, crews to adapt, and operational experience to accumulate within an already proven environment. When the ISS is eventually decommissioned, the Axiom modules will detach and operate independently, carrying forward decades of institutional knowledge into a new commercial era. This modular strategy also reflects how space infrastructure is changing. Rather than monolithic, government-designed systems, future stations are expected to grow incrementally, adapting to demand, technology, and opportunity. The Axiom space station is designed to be expandable, allowing additional modules to be added as needs evolve. Orbit becomes flexible rather than fixed. At its core, the Axiom space station is a platform, not a single-purpose facility, but an adaptable environment capable of hosting a wide range of activities. Scientific research remains central, particularly experiments that require long-term exposure to microgravity. These include studies in fluid physics, combustion, protein crystallization, and advanced materials. Such research often yields insights that cannot be obtained on Earth, revealing fundamental behaviors masked by gravity. Biomedical research occupies a particularly important role. In microgravity, bone density loss, muscle atrophy, and cellular changes occur rapidly, providing accelerated models for conditions associated with aging and disease. Experiments conducted aboard the station can inform treatments and therapies that benefit life on Earth. Axiom's value lies in ensuring uninterrupted access to this environment beyond the lifespan of the ISS. Alongside research, manufacturing in space represents a growing frontier. Certain materials, including specialized fibers and pharmaceutical compounds, may be produced more efficiently or with higher quality in microgravity. A commercial station offers the possibility of scaling such processes beyond experimental demonstrations. This introduces the idea of orbit not just as a laboratory, but as a place of production. Space tourism represents the most visible and culturally transformative aspect of Axiom's vision. For the first time, access to orbit is expanding beyond career astronauts to include private individuals, researchers, and representatives from nations without long-standing space programs. These missions are not casual excursions. Participants undergo extensive training, operate within strict safety frameworks, and integrate into the station's daily routines. The experience is immersive rather than observational. This expansion of access raises important questions about who space is for and how it should be used. Axiom's model attempts to balance openness with responsibility, ensuring that increased participation does not compromise safety, research integrity, or orbital sustainability. Tourism, in this context, becomes a mechanism for funding rather than distraction, supporting infrastructure that benefits science and exploration alike. Human-centered design plays a larger role in the Axiom station than in earlier orbital habitats. Lessons learned from decades aboard the ISS inform choices about lighting, layout, color, and window placement. These elements may seem secondary, but they directly influence mental health, productivity, and crew cohesion. As stays in orbit become longer and more frequent, the psychological dimension of spaceflight becomes impossible to ignore. The station also serves as a training ground for deeper space missions. Technologies related to life support, waste recycling, radiation protection, and habitat autonomy can be refined in low Earth orbit before being deployed on lunar or Martian missions. In this way, Axiom Station becomes a stepping stone, not just physically, but operationally. International participation is another defining feature. Unlike the ISS, which required complex governmental treaties, the Axiom platform allows nations, universities, and organizations to purchase access through commercial agreements. This lowers barriers to participation and broadens the global scientific community in orbit. Space becomes less exclusive, though not less demanding. Economically, the station represents a shift towards sustainability. By diversifying its activities, research, manufacturing, tourism, and testing, Axiom aims to create a revenue model that supports long-term operation without relying entirely on public funding. This approach mirrors changes already underway across the space industry, where commercial services increasingly complement government missions. However, commercial presence also brings responsibility. Orbital debris management, collision avoidance, and end-of-life planning are critical concerns. Axiom's success depends on adherence to strict operational standards and cooperation with international tracking and regulatory bodies. The future of orbit depends on restraint as much as ambition. As the ISS era concludes, continuity becomes a central concern. The risk is not merely losing a structure, but losing expertise, momentum, and the habit of living in space. Axiom's phased transition helps ensure that humanity does not step backward at a moment when expansion is possible. Continuity is the quiet foundation of progress. The Axiom space station exists at a crossroads. It bridges public and private, research and tourism, experimentation and infrastructure. It reflects a broader shift in how humanity approaches space, not as a temporary challenge, but as an environment to be managed thoughtfully. Orbit is no longer a novelty. It is becoming familiar. As modules assemble above Earth, a new chapter unfolds, one defined not by singular achievements, but by sustained presence. Experiments will run continuously. Visitors will come and go. Technologies will be tested, refined, and replaced. Spaceflight becomes routine, and that, in itself, is revolutionary. The significance of the Axiom space station lies not in spectacle, but in normalization. By making orbit accessible, functional, and economically viable, it transforms space from an exception into an extension of human activity. This transformation changes how the future is imagined. In the long arc of exploration, the most important step is often not the furthest leap, but the moment when presence becomes permanent. The Axiom space station represents that moment. a quiet but decisive shift toward a future where humanity does not merely visit space, but inhabits it responsibly. High above Earth, the station will orbit in silence, hosting experiments, travelers, and ideas that shape what comes next. It will not replace the ISS's legacy, but extend it, carrying forward the knowledge earned there into a new era. The future of space will be built not only on rockets and ambition, but on continuity, cooperation, and care. In that future, the Axiom space station stands as a crucial platform, revealing how space tourism and research can coexist, and how humanity's next chapter beyond Earth may begin.